Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the hard drive on your PlayStation 4 so you can increase the storage capacity or maybe the loading speeds on your specific games. And this is the 860 Evo, and this is just something I had in my computer. And it's an SSD that's going to be a lot quicker loading games. It'll probably take like 1 minute to load Minecraft as opposed to like 3. Now, when finding a hard drive for your PlayStation 5, I would just go to Amazon and type in 2.5-inch SSD and at least get 1 terabyte. So let's type that in. You can get a traditional hard drive, but an SSD is just going to be very cheap. You can get about 1 terabyte for $50. And this is going to load your games like 5 times quicker. So you definitely want to get an SSD. Don't just get a standard hard drive. And make sure it's 2.5-inch. And this is typically found with your laptops. And this one on the top says Gaming Consoles PC. Now, if I look at the pricing for the HDD SATA 6 gigabytes 2.5 internal bare drive, this is $43. So an SSD is only $7 more. Now, another thing we'll need is a USB device because we have to get the reinstallation software onto this so we can load it onto our PlayStation 4. And the first thing we want to do is go down to File Explorer and then open this up and locate our USB device under here. So let's scroll on down. And I know this is the G drive, so I'm going to go to it and then open this up. And you can see I already have a PS4 folder in there. But I want to format this to FAT32 or EXFAT. If you have it formatted to NTFS, it's simply not going to be recognized. So let's go to the file system and choose one of these, EXFAT or FAT32, and then choose the capacity, and then go to start. Now this is going to delete all your information off here, so make sure you transfer that to your computer before you do this. And let's go to OK, and the format is now complete. Now what I want to do is go into my USB device. So mine is the G drive. This could be completely different for you. And make sure you don't accidentally delete your hard drive with everything on it. So choose your USB device you plugged in. Then in here, let's go to New, go to Folder, and type in PS4. Then in the PS4 folder, let's go to New and go to Update. Just like this, all caps. And the reinstallation file, we're going to transfer it to this specific folder so it can be recognized. So now that we did that, let's go to PlayStation.com. Just like this. Go to this. Then let's go to Support. Go down to where it says Support. Then let's choose Hardware and Repairs. Then we can choose Consoles. Go to PS4. And we can choose Software Update. Let's go to Reinstall System Software. Then let's go to Reinstall System Software over here. And click this blue text. It's going to bring us to this page. Scroll on down. And then let's go down. And we're going to see the PS4 console update file. We don't want that. We want the PS4 console reinstallation file. And we can go to this little plus icon and we can read exactly what we have to do. So let's download this now. And we can see the PUP file and we can go to save. Then in the top right, we can go to this and we can open up the file location. So let's choose this and open up the location. It should open up File Explorer for you. So you can see it right here. Now what we want to do is drag this into the update folder. And when you're dragging it, if you downloaded multiple copies, just drag the original so you don't have that 1, 2, or 3 on there. So I'm going to drag it into here, and it's about 1 gigabyte to transfer, so you don't need a large USB device. All right, so we have the installation file on our USB, and then we have our SSD or our hard drive. Let's go over to my PlayStation 4 now and start it into safe mode. So here's my PS4. And I want to go ahead and turn it off first. So I'm going to hold down the power button right here. And I'm going to hear 1 beep. And then about 5-10 seconds later, I will hear a second beep. And this will manually turn it off. Now go ahead and grip the side cover. I have the original model. And if you have the slim, it's going to be a little bit different. I believe the hard drive is just going to be located on the side somewhere. But with the original one, this is what it looks like. And then I have this one screw I just need to remove. So let's remove this and put this to the side. Now, I'm just going to wait for it to turn off, then pull this out, just like this. And here is my hard drive just sitting inside of here. And then I'm going to have 4 screws I need to go ahead and remove, and then place in the new hard drive into this little tray. And then you can see there's going to be holes right here I need to screw in. And then I can easily just slide this in and then reinstall the system software. All right, so it's going to come out like this. Then let's get the other one and then slide this in. And then you can look at them to see how you placed it in. And it looks like I have mine upside down. So I'm going to rotate it around. So the logo of the Samsung is on the top. And then everything is aligned with the connection. So it looks like this. Now let's screw in the sides so we can actually line it up correctly when we slide it in. Alright, so all sides are screwed in now. Let's go ahead and just slide this back in. And we have that one screw to reattach right here on the side. Don't lose this. And then we should be good to go. And we can just slide the cover on, or we can just leave it how it is right now. But the cover will go on rather easily. I'm going to attach the back first, and then the front, and then just slide it over. Boom. Now let's take our USB device and plug it into the open slot. And we will need a USB cable, and we have to connect our controller to it so we can launch into the safe mode. Now, hold down the power button. You will hear one beep, and continue to hold it down until we hear the second beep. And we can let go then. And on our TV, it should be launching to safe mode. Just press the PlayStation button, and you should be able to operate the menu. Alright, so let's press the PlayStation button, and then go to number 7. It doesn't allow you to go into any other options, so you have to go to number 7 right here. And connect a USB storage device, contains the update, so let's go to OK. It says please wait. Alright, so everything is going to be deleted off this, so let's go to yes. And it's initializing the PS4. And it's installing the update file, and your PlayStation 4 is going to restart multiple times. And this process might take a while, so you got to give yourself at least a half an hour to complete this, or maybe a little bit longer. Now I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of how quickly Minecraft loads with my new hard drive. Since I put in an SSD, it's only going to load in about 40 seconds until I can go ahead and start the game. On my regular hard drive, it would take me about 2 minutes and 40 seconds to 3 minutes to actually get past this red screen and get to this screen. So it's about 5 times quicker, maybe not, but let's go to play. It's a significant upgrade for about $40 that you want to go ahead and upgrade to an SSD. Makes a huge difference.